Hey there, this is Rajimul. Welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to create a gift card for customer. First log in your store, then you can see this page. Then you click marketing, sorry, you click product, then you find the option a gift card. Click here. Then you can see this page. First click create a gift card. When click create a gift card, then you can see this page. First, you need to give a gift card code. Example, my gift card code gift 100. You need to must 8 character. Then I will type get gift card 100. Then you need a value, gift card value. I will type $100. Then if you want to set expiry date or no expiry date, if you want to set it, then click saves. A customer when use this code, then customer buy a product as a gift card product, then you can sell this gift card balance 100. This is show BDT, but I will change this settings. Now it show this. This is a short video how to create a gift card with a few minutes. Thank you for watching.